Okay, so this is a map of Salt Lake City and the superchargers that are in like the downtown area in Salt Lake City. So if we see this one right here, this dot right here, this is actually the Tesla dealership or Tesla store where you'd pick up your car. They've had traditionally 10 superchargers there. That was the first supercharger in the Salt Lake City area. They have 10 chargers, but they're only 150 kilowatts, so they're kind of the older style chargers, but they're always full. There's 10 chargers, and because it's the one of the few places to charge in Salt Lake City, it's always full, and it seems like people are using it, even just commuters are using it, so it's always full. And then up here we have this is the Tesla Service Center. There's only 4 chargers there. They're like the smaller 75 kilowatt chargers, and those are available, and it's nice to have those extra ones. But one thing that's new is this one right here. This one's just off, this is 21st South. There's a Costco right next to it here. So if you look at the Costco in Salt Lake, is downtown Salt Lake City. This is the Costco. It's actually right next to the Costco. And so we're gonna head down there. We're gonna go check it out. It just opened within the last week. And these are the first 250 kilowatt chargers in the downtown Salt Lake City area. So we're gonna go check that out, see exactly where the location is, and just kind of give you the idea of how to get to it and what amenities are right around it. Okay, so here we are, and we're on West 1830 South, and you have to enter in from this side right here. So right here, there's a store called 5.11, and then there's like a Mo Betta's Hawaiian kind of barbecue shop. You've got to enter into this area here into the shopping mall, go around this 5.11 or 5.11 store, and you can see the chargers here are on the west side of that store. The reason you have to do that is this entrance right here is one-way only. So this is an exit only. The parking stalls are kind of slanted diagonally, like 45-degree angles, so they're easy to pull into, but you can only exit out this way. So I want to back into this spot right here, and we'll get plugged in and get charging. Okay, so I'm plugged in here at the Supercharger station. If you can see here, the parking stalls are kind of slanted at an angle. You can't enter from this area. This is an exit only, so you have to enter from this side over here around the building. There's 8 charger stalls. The awesome thing is, right across the street here, that is Costco. So you have Costco here. You've got a bunch of places right around here. So if you need to go wander around Costco, this is a cool spot to go. Okay, this is just a quick view from across the street on the Costco side, looking at the exit only. All right, so that's a great new location. Right there next to Costco is awesome. You just walk through there. You don't need a membership to go in. If you're not a member of Costco, you can still go in there, use the restroom, wander around. You can even eat at their, they have a little, cafeteria, or they sell food there that you can get food there and then walk around, kind of, just kind of browse around. Nice place to walk around. Also, there's like a Jimmy John's, there's Mo Betta's, there's a Dickey's Barbecue, and then some other shops in that little shopping area. So this is a great location. This is the kind of place that you want to have a supercharger, because it's got places to actually visit, good food options, places to kind of see and do while you're charging your car. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.